Now, retrenchments could be inevitable at Impala Platinum, but this will be the last resort. That's the word from Implats CEO Nico Muller. Implats released their interim results for the 6 months to end December 31st yesterday. Annual profit is lower and the outlook is that platinum group metal prices will not increase significantly in the short to medium term.
If you look at all of the major forces impacting on the platinum group metals prices, it is clear that there are significant downward pressures on the prices. And I think the world is in consensus that there is not a major recovery expected in the near term. It is therefore reasonable to expect, with continued cost inflation, that we are at risk. If you look at what we've done so far, we have been able to mitigate our cost increase over the last year by to only 3%, which is significantly below global inflation as well as mining inflation. We have reduced our labor force by 3% by not recruiting in non-critical positions. We have deferred 21% of our forecasted capital expenditure over the next five years, thereby realizing a saving of 21%. So those are all the things that we have done. We have already implemented an operating strategy change at Impala Canada as an example. We are high-grading the mine. We've gone through a restructuring there. They have reduced their operating costs from 1,300 Canadian dollars per ounce to 1,050. So we have already made significant improvements. In the absence of a price recovery, I think there's a high probability that we are going to be forced into some form of restructuring exercises, which is why at the moment we are engaging with all of our stakeholders to discuss mitigation plans. And I think if we do not act proactively and reduce our overhead costs, including labor, we are going to be necessitated to, in fact, consider putting some of our operations on care and maintenance or absolute closure, and we are trying to avoid that at all costs.